What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're unboxing my new wheel set, the Roval C38. I've been searching for a new wheel set for quite some time, and I stumbled on the Roval C38s while I was doing my searching. The reason why I went with the Roval C38s is because they're a complete performance upgrade, and the price point was just unbeatable. These are fully carbon rims with DT Swiss hubs. The depth of this wheel set is 38 millimeters with a 21 millimeter internal width. These are also carbon clincher and tubeless compatible. These come with the DT Swiss 370 hub with a standard 18 tooth ratchet system. Right out of the box, these feel super light. I know they'll be great while I'm climbing, and I heard that they handle very well while you're on the road. Also, you're able to maintain your speeds at a greater length. Alright you guys, so I finally got them out of the box, and right off the bat you can tell how well put together this wheel set is. Now this comes in a satin black with a gloss black finish with the wording and the branding. As I stated before, these come with the 370 DT Swiss hub. Now the more expensive wheel sets from Roval, they come with a lighter hub. But hey, this 370 hub will do just fine. I'm really impressed with the overall quality of these wheels. You can tell that the wheel set was made with the rider in mind. I'm just going over the craftsmanship of the wheel, and I can't say that I regret this purchase. Now, of course I would have to put them on the bike and test them out, but so far so good. Also, you'll notice that they come with the Roval branded rim tape for the tubeless option. Let me go ahead and give you guys a look at that carbon fiber weave. I mean, these are made with high quality in mind. So before I put these on my bike, I'm going to switch out the standard 18 tooth ratchet that comes with this wheel set. I gave it a spin test and it just was way too quiet for me with the 18 tooth ratchet. So I went ahead and invested in the 54 tooth ratchet, and we're going to do a sound test in a bit just to show you guys the difference. So right now I'm just going to give you guys a visual of what the 54 tooth ratchet looks like. And one of the benefits to switching this out is to get a lot more engagement when you're pedaling. Also, every cyclist loves that noise that the hub makes. And that's the beauty of these new Roval C38s, is you can upgrade your ratchet without taking it to the bike shop. And it's pretty simple, you guys. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to upgrade your ratchet. But this is just a view of the teeth clinched together. So the more teeth that you have on your ratchet, the more pedaling force that you have to the rear wheel. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by removing the hub from the wheel set. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is lift it up, give it a nice little tug, and it'll lift right up. So from there you can see the spring that clenches the ratchets together. And we're just going to set that over to the side. And 18 tooth ratchet. The ratchet just slides right off. As you can see, there's a lot of DT Swiss special grease on these already, so I won't add too much more grease to the system. That's mainly because I want these ratchets to be as loud as possible when I'm riding. But here you can see the difference in the teeth, the 18 tooth ratchet below, and of course the 54 tooth ratchet up top. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these two together, and then from there we'll just transport it right over to the hub system and go ahead and install that now. So you're going to make sure you match these up with the grooves that are existing on the hub, and once you match them, they just pop right on. Boom, the installation is finished. Now all we have to do is put the hub cap back on, and we're all set with this installation. So when you're sliding this on, make sure you slide it all the way down. Make sure it's secure. You'll probably hear like a little pop, and that'll indicate that it's on properly and securely. Now I'm going to insert a little sound test from before. As you guys can hear, the 18 tooth is way too quiet, at least for my liking. Now let's listen to the after with the 54 tooth. Yes, sir. Now this is the sound that I'm looking for. Alright, y'all, so now I have the wheel set on my bike, and just look how nice and aggressive these wheels make my bike look. I forgot to mention that I put a OSPW on my bike as well. Now for those of you who don't know what an OSPW is, it's just an oversized pulley wheel, and this will increase my shifting efficiency as well as reduce any friction with my chain. So I decided to give you guys a little bit of riding footage just to let you hear what it sounds like when I'm riding. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and make sure you tune in for the next video.